That's right, Rachel. Thank you very much. And a happy St. Patty's Day to everyone here in Hawaii. I'm mean, I'm green, I'm still working on the lean part. But today, we're having a lot of fun, as you mentioned. We're over here live at Bishop Museum to check out what is one of the brand new exhibits over here. This is Brother Kapalikū. He is the Education Programs Manager. So Kapalikū, tell everyone out there, I mean, Bishop Museum, you guys bring in so many different activations, and tell us what takes place here on a daily basis.
You know, that's a great question. Thanks, Kainoa. So for many of the folks out there in radio land and TV land and internet land, they're familiar with Bishop Museum as being the state's museum of culture and natural science. But Bishop Museum has a lot going on even in the news. So while the museum has more than 27 million specimens, collections, and stories about the things that have happened here since the founding of the museum in the 1890s up until now, we also have the opportunity to bring those collections and research stories to life in a space like this, which is Aloha Bricks 26.
Aloha Bricks 26. And again, this is, again, going to be a wonderful opportunity for people to learn about Hawaii's history, come down to the museum. So many different experiences. But today, as you mentioned, Aloha Bricks 26. What's happening over here?
So here in Aloha Bricks, we are telling some of the stories that we tell here at the museum over its 134 or so year history using the medium of bricks. These wonderful multicolored plastic bricks that you can see all around these spaces, and the museum's teams and a special group called the Hawaii Lego Users Group have created not only three-dimensional sculptures, but also these wonderful wall murals. So as you look through the spaces here, you'll see things that have amazing textures, colors, vibrant, and what you'll see is they will match sometimes the photos that we have on display of objects and specimens from collections. So on this
So yeah, what do we have over here, Kapalikū? We're going to slowly bring the camera over there so we can take a look.
Are pictures that are based on some of the malacology specimens and also the research that our malacologists are doing right here at Bishop Museum. Some of our viewers might be familiar with Pupuola, which is a native snail rearing center that's been developed and built at the Science Adventure Center, so visitors can actually see the science that's going on there. But we have close-ups of some of the most important and some of the most endangered native Hawaiian land snails that are around. And these murals are done at scale, but if you want to come over here, here are some of the shells that are part of malacology's collection, so you can really get a sense of the scale. So most of us will unfortunately never have a chance to see these things outside of protected areas, but we can really appreciate their living color and that size. And this is something that we hope will inspire next generations of scientists and researchers to not only be appreciative of the wildlife and the history and culture as it comes together in Hawaii, but also to inspire them to answer that call to action.
Yeah, and another fun way to just come into the museum and really learn. We're actually going to walk and kind of check out other happenings that are taking place. You mentioned murals that are over here as well, but also when you get into Aloha Bricks 26, this is kind of like, it takes center stage over here. What is this?
So this is a collection of really iconic species that are associated with Hawaii. So of course we have pupu, we have kahuli, we have our native Hawaiian land snails. We have the pulelehua, the kamehameha butterfly. We have the i'iwi, which is a really important native bird species to all the islands. We've been seeing decreases in populations here on Oahu, so it's really important for people to know and know how to help. Of course, we have the humuhumu nukunuku apua'a, the triggerfish that everybody knows the name of. For we'll say don't catch it, it doesn't taste all that good. But also right in the middle, we have that ancestor of the Hawaiian people. We have Halo, we have the kalo plant. So all these things very iconic, very representative of Hawaii, and done at a massive scale. So just like the murals of the other snails that we just showed, this snail here is more than 100 times its natural size.
And the detail on this thing is crazy.
Amazing. It's amazing to see what you can do with 3D sculptural materials like these bricks, because you can get all the colors, you can get all the shapes, all the sizes, and you can get that wonderful, almost topographical look and texture.
Absolutely. Okay, I have to ask as well, is there like a ballpark on how long something like, as we look at this, like how long does something like that take? Or what are those conversations like when the artists are really coming in, formatting what they're going to do and then bringing it to life?
You know, that's a really good question, Kainoa. So like any building project, you got to plan it. You got to look at your resources, your materials, and scale, and then you got to figure out what's going to hold this thing up. So what you notice is a lot of these pieces are solid. There are some pieces that have some really important structural components, like what you see over here with the pulelehua. We got that bolt holding it up. But the bricks themselves connect really well together. So in terms of design, there are programs that allow folks to actually number out how many bricks you're going to use for a particular design, but these were designed in partnership with Hailug and with some other artists. So we're really, really excited about how this has come together, because this is a first for Bishop Museum, and this process took months.
Yeah.
Months.
That is incredible. Okay, again, we're here today with really a first look at Aloha Bricks 26. It kicked off, and how long is the exhibit going to go for?
So we opened the exhibit this past week, and it will be open until October 11th.
Okay, so we do have some time to get down here. You two come over here because it's a great cakey day at Bishop Museum. So many different family members are coming down here to check out all the Legos. What's your name?
Kalani.
What's your name?
Christian.
You guys like Bishop Museum? Do you like Legos?
Yeah.
You ready to go have some fun?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Stay with us, Rachel. The whole Ohana's down here. Happy St. Patty's Day. Come on down here to Aloha Bricks 26. We'll see you guys in just a bit.